Hey, welcome to English Delight with Anju. If you are looking for a way to level up your English, then listen and practice till the end. In a bustling town, there lived a boy named Jay. He was known for his sharp mind and dedication to his studies. Jay excellent in every subject, but there was one area where he struggled English speaking. Despite consistently scoring the highest marks in his class, Jay became the target of jokes and ridicule during English lessons. His classmates teased him for his hesitant speech and occasional grammatical errors, which left Jay feeling embarrassed and frustrated. Determined to overcome his weakness, Jay sought help from his English teacher, Mrs. Roy. With her guidance, he began practicing speaking English every day after school. Mrs. Roy encouraged him to read English books aloud, listen to English podcasts, and engage in conversations with native speakers. At first, Jeff found it challenging to articulate his thoughts fluently in English, but he refused to give up. With perseverance and hard work, he gradually improved his pronunciation and gained confidence in speaking. As Jaz's English skills blossomed, so did his self assurance. He no longer felt intimidated by English class or the mocking remarks of his classmates. Instead, he saw each challenge as an opportunity to grow and learn. One day, during an English debate competition, Jay surprised everyone with his eloquent speech and persuasive arguments. His classmates watched his awe as the confidently presented his views on the topic, leaving a lasting impression on both the judges and his peers. From that day forward, Jazz classmates began to respect him for his determination and resilience. They realized that his intelligence and hard work were not defined by his English speaking abilities. As Jay stood on the stage holding the winner's trophy, he felt a sense of pride and accomplishment was over him. He had overcome his greatest obstacle and emerged victorious. With his newborn confidence, Jay continued to excel in his studies and pursue his dreams. And though his journey to master English speaking had been challenging, it had taught him valuable lessons about perseverance, courage, and the power of determination. Guys, if you are at level 1, You probably need more guided teaching before you start reading, and if you are C2 level, then you can start reading books for native speakers. A great strategy, if you don't feel so confident about your reading ability, is to start with the beginner level of the book and reread it level by level, going all the way up to advanced. But even rereading the same story twice can be very effective. We need to repeatedly encounter new words and phrases before our brain can really understand them. So keep practicing, keep learning. Have a nice day.